Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this Burlington Coat Factory haul. Hi guys, I just got back in the car and I was at Burlington for, I want to say 2 hours. Can you believe 2 freaking hours? I mean, I wound up getting a few things and spent $103. So, I mean, at least I didn't walk out with nothing. But I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. Right now I'm actually using a mount that I purchased at Burlington, and it's connected to my phone and my AC little vent. So now it's easier to talk to you guys, and I can talk to you more when I'm in the car for videos. So I look forward to doing that. But yeah, I'm on my way home now, and I'm gonna shower and fix myself so I don't look this horrible, and I will get back to you guys with what I have purchased. Alright, see you guys soon. Hi guys, and welcome back. For those that are new, I am Jessica, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you are new. Alright, today I am going to be showing you just some items that I purchased at Burlington. If you do not know what Burlington is, it is a store that sells furniture and home items, and also clothing and shoes and coats and jackets, and literally they sell everything. It's like a bigger extended Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. It's in that family along with Home Goods. So I'm going to show you just a few things that I have purchased, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, the first thing I purchased here is this calligraphy easel set. And I've always wanted this, and I'm so happy I was able to find this there. I was not looking for it, but I came across it and I had to get it. And this was $10.99. This is what it looks like. So it comes with the pens and the ink, and it comes with paper here at the bottom. And you can practice, and it teaches you all these cool things on how to draw with the calligraphy pen. I'm so excited to try that out. The next item I purchased was, this looks really good, and I am a breakfast girl, so I'm always making pancakes or French toast, eggs, you name it. I came across this Entenmann's Red Velvet Pancake Waffle Mix, and I wanted to try it out. And this was $2.99 out of $4.99 value. So I'm excited to try it. It says we just need milk and eggs and butter, and that's about it. The next item I purchased here is some lotion. I needed new lotion, and my skin gets very dry. My hands on the corners here and the edges, they all always crack. I feel like I have like eczema on my hands ever since I had Aiden. Also, my feet crack like crazy. You would think I was 700 pounds the way I have cracks in my feet and my heels. So this here is the hemp seed oil instant hydration cream. It's an Advanced Clinicals instant hydration cream, it says. And it was $4.99 at a $13 value, I believe it says. Next item I'm going to be showing you is this pizza pan. If you haven't already watched my last video, I made a pizza. I'll link it down below in the description bar. I actually used a rectangle pan. It still turned out all right. It's just I'd rather have the actual circle pan, especially for pizza. For the future, when I do make one, I would like to use this. So this is a 14-inch pizza crisper. I'm excited to use it. It was only $5.99. So that was that. Sometimes I talk to you guys in my car, and when I do, my phone never stays still. It always falls over. So I decided to get something that clips into the air vents, and my phone can sit up there, and I'm able to talk to you guys or watch some videos. And this is what it looks like. And this was only $4.99, so I already used it in the car. It works great. It stays and it's durable, so let's see how long it lasts. But so far it works beautifully. All right, the next item I got was this here. It's a little vase with some plants. It's fake plants, and it also looks like there's a little water in there, but it's actually like just for show, and the plants don't come out. They're actually stuck inside here. This was on clearance for $6.99, and I got this along with it. I only paid $14.99 for this at a $36.99 value, and I got this to go on here along with another little plant and a candle, and I'm just gonna have this on my dining room table. All right guys, the next stuff I'm going to be showing you here are items that I purchased for Adam. I got him Tommy Hilfiger socks, and it came in a pack of 2. He's been into this little flower printed design lately, so I got him for Father's Day 2 floral ties and a floral shirt, and also I went back to Burlington today and purchased some more floral stuff like these socks here that he could wear to work, and it came with another pair underneath, just in a different color. And these were only $4.99, and they're Tommy Hilfiger, and they're originally $18.99. And I got him another pair here in a different color, just blue, and this was the other color underneath. Same price, $4.99. This is just a brow shaping set here. It comes with tweezers, which he needed. He's always using them, and they always get dull on him. This was only $3.99. You can go to Publix and you'll find tweezers for like 20 bucks. And for this to be $3.99, and it comes with a really nice little brow grooming kit as well, I had to grab it for him. So the next item that I did get was this dual loop facial extractor. And again, he's always working on his face and making sure he doesn't have any blackheads or blemishes before he goes to work. He's always trying to extract all the stuff off of his face so it's nice and clear. And I actually found the tool for it, so I decided to get it for him at the price of $2.99. All right, the next item here is this tie. It's a nice, beautiful floral tie, and this was only $7.99. The next one I have here is this floral one. And this was also $7.99. I also got this floral one. This was a different brand. This was $8.99. Beautiful tie. And he's always wearing ties to work, so the more the merrier. This one is kind of off store topic, but I told you guys that I bought some ties and a shirt for him for Father's Day as well, but that was at Nordstrom, and this is one of the ties from Nordstrom. And this, I believe, was only 20 bucks on sale, and this is the 1901 brand. And then I got him another one, which was the same price, also the 1901 brand. It was a different floral one, but it was more, it was blue, and the flowers were a little bit bigger and more separated. And he's wearing that one today, so I can't show you guys. All right, the next item I'm gonna be showing you here is the Smart Swab. I saw this on TV, and I saw it a few times in the store, and it's one of those as seen on TV. These are just, it's a smarter way, I guess, to clean wax out of your ears. And when it comes to ears, I have like OCD when cleaning my ears or cleaning Aiden's ears. So I decided to try this out. It comes with some extra little cartridges here for changing out the piece when you do clean your ears out. But you supposedly fell out. Supposedly you're supposed to, well, this is what it looks like. Put it in your ear and turn, and the wax comes out. And I already tried it, and honestly, it didn't really work for me. I don't know if it's because my ears were already clean. Maybe it's for people that get build-up wax and, like, you know, chunky wax. Maybe it helps them like screw it out because it's like scraping your ear. But every time I clean my ears, there's never anything on my Q-tips, so I don't know if I just don't produce a lot of wax in my ears or it's just clear, I don't know, but that was only $2.99, and that's why I really got it. I would not purchase this if it was more than $5. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little haul on Burlington Coat Factory, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It will be greatly appreciated. And for those that are new, please subscribe to my channel, double click that subscribe button, and you'll get notified when my next video comes out. So make sure your notifications are on, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a good day, guys.